Don't want to wait months for your ERP project to start or be set up? Don't have enough budget for a conventional implementation project? Do you have to spend a lot of time searching for information on different platforms to find a solution to your problem in the ERP system? We have the solution. COSMO Digital Consultant enables independent setup of business applications with simple step-by-step instructions. You will receive assistance so that you can fully configure the system yourself. Context-sensitive linking of content. You will always find the information you need directly. This is because all relevant information is stored in the business application where it is needed. COSMO Digital Consultant is based on Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central and guides you step-by-step through installation, setup, and system extensions. This allows you to start immediately and complete the project more quickly. The costs for a project are lower. COSMO Digital Consultant.